In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a gradient background inside Premiere Pro. I'm going to be showing you a few different ways. Let's dive in. The first step is to use a black video. So to create a black video inside Premiere Pro, navigate to the project panel. If you don't see the project panel, you can always go up to Window, Project Panel, and then navigate to the new item button at the bottom right and click on black video. Then click OK, and then click and drag this new item to your sequence, to video track 1 here. I'm going to zoom in and click on my layer, then navigate to the effects panel. If you don't see this, you can go up to Window Effects, and then search for ramp in the search bar. Underneath video effects, underneath generate, click and drag this to your video clip. And you can see that we've added a ramp to our clip. Inside effects controls at the top left, you can scroll down and you can change the start and end color. So if you wanted a specific color, you can change these two colors to whatever colors you'd like. I'm choosing 2 different shades of blue here, and then you can see that you can change the start of the ramp and the end of the ramp. So you can change these values here. You can also click in the program monitor and click and drag these little circles to move around the different points. You can zoom out to give yourself more room by clicking on the drop down and changing the value here, or scrolling on your mouse. So you can change the different points here. You can also change it from a line to a radial ramp by changing the shape by clicking on this drop down to change it from linear ramp to radial ramp. You can see it's more of like a circle. You can move these around and get different type of gradient looks here. So that's how you can do it for a linear or radial type of gradient. But what if you wanted maybe a custom shape? I'm going to show you how to do that next. So for now, what I'm going to do is just select the clip and delete it from my timeline. We'll navigate back to the project panel and create a new color matte. So similarly, we're going to navigate to the new item button and go to color matte. You can click OK. And basically what you want to do is create your 2 different colors. We're going to create the first color. So I'm going to choose that dark blue color, click OK and name it dark blue, or whichever color that you're creating, and then click OK. Then click and drag this new item to your timeline. Then we're going to create a second color matte, and that will be our second color that we want to use in our gradient. So I'm going to go back to new item, color matte, click OK, and choose our second color here, in this case light shade of blue. I'm going to click OK and name it light blue. Then I'm going to click OK and then click and drag this light blue color matte above our dark blue one. Now what we can do is click on our light blue color matte, or the clip in video track 2 here, and then go to the opacity section of effects controls. If you don't see effects controls, you can always go up to Window Effects Controls, and then you should see this pen icon. This is the free Draw Bezier mask tool. So if we click on it, this creates a new mask, and inside the program monitor, we can custom create shapes depending if we want to make a custom mask or gradient here. So as you can see, if I just make a random polygon shape by clicking and connecting the different points inside the program monitor, we have a custom shape. And what we can do from here is adjust the settings under the mask controls. So next to mask feather, we can bring this up quite a bit. You can see that we've kind of created a custom shape. We can easily just click on these points if we want to expand it or change how they're positioned. And this is a way that you can add a custom shape gradient to Premiere Pro timeline. So those are a few different ways that you can create gradient backgrounds inside Premiere Pro. Now, if you're looking for more help inside Premiere Pro, there's several tutorials on my channel. I will leave one that you might like linked right up there. Feel free to go check that one out. But that does it for this video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.